In this video, try to explore try-catch block with one more example for the existing code. So in our existing code, after handling runtime exception demo, so here, so the division method, so we have provided try-catch block and the catch block contains arithmetic exception and we are catching that corresponding exception. So here, with respect to division method, if we can provide the valid data, so everything we are getting the appropriate result for the each corresponding method. Suppose if we can try to provide invalid input, so it provides an exception. The exception is, so the exception, any number division by 0, it always throws an exception. The catch block is throws an exception. That particular exception is handled by the catch block since we have provided appropriate exception class. So it allowing the Java to execute the remaining programming lines instead of stopping the execution abnormally. Since it is handling the exception, it is catching the exception object appropriately, so it allowing the execution to continue with upcoming methods such as is odd number, is divisible by 9, multiplication, subtraction. Those methods will execute. So if we can execute now, so the exception division by 0, arithmetic exception has showed, and the remaining methods. So what are the remaining methods means? After the division, so is odd number and 81 divisible by 9, multiplication result, subtraction, the remaining method got executed. So it has not stopped the execution abnormally. So this is the concept about try-catch block. Here one observation here. Suppose instead of arithmetic exception, if I can provide a null pointer exception, the exception thrown by the try block has not matched with the exception class specified in the catch block. In this case, the execution stops abnormally. Even though we have provided a try-catch block, it is not able to handle the exception. So for that purpose, it is a good practice. Either you can provide the appropriate exception class or we should provide the superclass exception. So the superclass exception is capable to handle all kinds of exception. So if we can execute now, so in this case, yes, the exception is handled properly and it started continuing with the upcoming execution, continue with the upcoming methods. Thank you.